Lava Agni 3.5G, heating up the competition. The mid-range smartphone market is a battleground. Lava aims to conquer this space with their latest release, the Lava Agni 3.5G. But is it enough to stand out from the crowd? Let's dive in and find out. Sleek design, solid build. The Lava Agni 3.5G has a sleek modern design with a premium glass back. Its slim profile and curved edges make it comfortable to hold. The fingerprint sensor is conveniently located on the side, integrated with the power button. Overall, the Lava Agni 3.5G makes a strong statement with its design. A display that pops. The Lava Agni 3.5G sports a vibrant 6.78-inch AMOLED display. Colors are rich and vibrant, with deep blacks and excellent contrast. The high refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Lava has definitely delivered a top-notch display experience with the Agni 3.5G. Powering through the day. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. The phone comes with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking. With 256 GB of internal storage, there's plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The Lava Agni 3.5G is well equipped to handle your daily digital needs. Picture-perfect moments. The Lava Agni 3.5G features a triple camera system on the back. This setup is headlined by a 64-megapixel main camera, promising impressive image quality. Even in low-light conditions, the camera performs admirably. The additional cameras include an ultra-wide lens and a macro lens, offering versatility in your photography. For selfies, the 16-megapixel front-facing camera does a solid job. The future is 5G. The Lava Agni 3.5G future-proofs you, allowing you to take advantage of the faster download and upload speeds that 5G offers. The Lava Agni 3.5G keeps you connected to the next generation of mobile internet. Battery life that doesn't quit. The Lava Agni 3.5G packs a 5,000 mAh battery. Whether you're on social media, streaming music, or navigating with GPS, the phone can keep up. And when you do need to recharge, the 67-watt fast charging support comes in clutch. This combination ensures that you're always powered up and ready to go. Software, a smooth experience. The Lava Agni 3.5G runs on Android 13 with Lava's custom UI on top. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Lava has done a good job of keeping the software experience close to stock Android. Overall, the software experience on the Lava Agni 3.5G is pleasant and user-friendly. Price and value. A winning combination? The Lava Agni 3.5G is aggressively priced, making it a compelling option in the mid-range segment. For the price, you get a stunning display, capable performance, a decent camera system, and the future-proofing of 5G connectivity. Lava has packed a lot of value into the Agni 3.5G, making it a strong contender for anyone looking for a great smartphone without breaking the bank. So, there you have it. The Lava Agni 3.5G is a well-rounded smartphone that excels in key areas. Check it out and see for yourself if it lives up to the hype.